Recording number 2, reset at the beginning, because rate king. Alright, there we have an open. Just try and keep this in frame. I really hope it is. Okay. Sorry, I know my finger was in front. So let's go ahead and get this C-clip off. Alright, C-clips off. Alright, so we have 5 as a spool. Four is a spool. 3 is a serrated spool. 2 is a serrated. All this oil on here, man, makes it so much more difficult. And 1 is a serrated. Key pins. And here we go. Damn it. Go up there and stay. 5 is a standard. 4 is a serrated. 3 is a standard. 2 is a serrated. And 1 is a serrated. So that was pick and gut and reassembly. In there. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so core is rekeyed. Now is time So 1 is back in. It sucks not having a follower is small, because that means I gotta do everything with the core. 2 is back in. Three is in. Four is in. And 5's in. Alright, there we go. Clips back on. Where's that body? There we go. There we go. Okay, and yes, this is a secondary key, and the key does work. Alrighty, I'd like to thank Pot Kettle Racism and Lockpicking Heaven's Gate. As far as I know, that's the lineage. Pot Kettle received it from Lockpicking Heaven's Gate. I want to thank you both for one hell of a lock that put me through hell.